Hello, YouTube! I'm Jen.
I'm Doug.
And we're the Travelin' Millers. We have decided to start our very own YouTube channel. This will be our first one. We wanted to kind of just do some videos for ourselves, personal use, for our kids, and just, you know, to have memories, not to make money or get sponsorships or anything. So we thought that YouTube would be the perfect place to have them. So we are part-time RVers. We still have our sticks and bricks, as they call it. We are in Ohio, but we do take some pretty good trips.
Yes, we do.
Yeah, and so far we have been to
48 states in the RV and 41 national parks. So we've got to see a lot, and this all really started since 2017. So we've done a lot in the 5 to 6 years that we've been doing this.
Yeah, we got our first RV when our youngest son graduated high school in 2017. We actually got it in March of 2017, so we had that whole summer that we did. When he graduated, we went out west and did our first big trip, and since then we have been to all 48 states. Like he said, we've been up the East Coast to Maine and Vermont and all that. We did a big trip out to the Grand Canyon. We did a couple trips out west.
Yes.
And we've done the Florida and all that down there too. So this year we are planning a pretty big trip.
Yeah, our biggest yet.
Yeah, our biggest yet. It's gonna be an adventure, that's for sure. So our longest time we have done in the camper, the RV together, has been about 3 months. A couple years ago we went out west for 3 months, but that's the longest time we've been away from our family, just me and him in the camper and the dogs. And
yes.
But this time we are going to Alaska.
Yes.
We are going to drive up through Canada, all the way up the Alaska Highway into Alaska.
Yeah, we're going to spend probably 3 to 3.5 months doing it. So
maybe longer if we like it.
yeah, we may never come back. I don't know.
No, we will.
Yeah, it gets cold up there, so we definitely will be back.
Yeah, we don't like the cold.
Yeah, it's one that we've had on a bucket list for a long time. We planned for years. In 2021, we were supposed to go up to Alaska, and COVID shut everything down. So we basically, that's when we went out west for 3 months. So so we did get a lot of fun things on that trip, but this is the one that we've been planning, and we've added to our itinerary and changed some stuff around. But it's exciting. We're really excited for it.
Yep. And today is April 26th that we're recording this, and we are planning on leaving May 20th.
Yeah.
It's a Saturday morning. We're going to leave out of here about
6.
We're going to leave out here about 6 o'clock in the morning. So we have been kicking it into overdrive, getting things ready. We've gotten things ready throughout the years and this year, but we just did our last big thing that we had planned. We went camping with our grandkids, and now
enjoyable.
Yep. And now we are kicking it into high gear of getting ready to leave, because we leave in just a little over 3 weeks.
Yep.
So, and some of the videos coming up are going to be some of what we are doing to prep for this trip. I am trying to get a lot of the food prep done. I'm trying to take a lot of pre-made meals with us. It's kind of tricky because crossing the Canadian border, you have to watch what you take. So, but I'm doing a lot of the grocery shopping, cleaning, getting the house ready to be shut down for 3.5 months, and just cleaning out the fridge and the freezer, eating eating everything I can find in there, making meals out of them.
Yeah.
Haven't been too bad so far.
No, it's been great. And the fridge is getting empty.
Yep.
So, but I've been doing a lot of the stuff for the RV and the Jeep Gladiator.
You know what? I guess we should say what we have. I didn't mention what we
have a 2017 Jayco Greyhawk 29MV, which we bought brand new.
It's a Class C.
Class C. So that's the one that's been to all 48 states.
It will be just Doug and I on the trip, along with our dog Jessie, who is down here. Jessie, come here. Come on. You want to get up here? Come on. We'll introduce her to you. Come on.
She's in the screen.
She is our 9-year-old Basset Hound.
Yeah.
And she has been to all 48 states as well with us. And she has swam in the ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean.
Yep.
She didn't get to swim in the Gulf. She was down there, but there was no dogs allowed, so she didn't get to do that. But we did have another dog that traveled with us. His name was Enos. He was a black lab, and he just recently passed away in February. We were really hoping he would make it to Alaska with us, but because he had also been to all the 48 states and everything with us, and he was a great dog. They're both really good traveling dogs.
Yes, they are.
Very good dogs.
Yep.
So we're sad that he couldn't go with us, but we're taking him with us in our hearts.
Yes, we are.
So anyway, wanted to introduce Jessie to you. You'll see her in probably quite a few of the videos.
Yep. All right.
We do own our own business, so we have some pretty good employees that take care of things while we're gone. Very trustworthy. One being our son, and another being a lifelong friend. So, but we do, like I said, have a house, and we have 4 children. We have 3 of them are married. The other one is in a serious relationship, and so we have 3 sons and 1 daughter. We have 6 grandkids, and they are the light of our life. Grandkids, I mean, you love your kids. Having your child is the greatest thing on earth until you have grandkids, and then you're like, you didn't think you could love anything more, and these grandbabies look at you and it just lights up your world, fills your heart. So we have been blessed with wonderful children and wonderful grandchildren, and a wonderful extended family as well, you know.
Definitely.
So it's going to be a hard transition, being with them every day to not seeing them at all.
That's probably the hardest. But, but we have made adjustments so we can at least maybe do some
FaceTime and keep in touch with them. We did get the Starlink.
Yes.
So we're hoping that helps us with our footage, our service, so we can still FaceTime with the family and keep in touch. And so, anything else?
I don't think so. I mean, that's kind of, like I said, this is just a summary.
Introduction,
yeah. And there's going to be some good videos, and but the bulk of the main course is going to be when we get back from Alaska. We don't want to. We don't want to be on a schedule where we got to spend hours editing and stuff inside it. But we're going to video, and we're going to act like, take the footage and do everything that like we was going to put it on there on a daily basis. But
I won't be able to put as much video out while we're on the trip. But we do have a Facebook page and an Instagram page that I will be trying to update. I'll be able to do more with pictures and videos from my phone for those pages. So I will be putting clips out of that, and so check us out there. It's the Traveling Millers. I do have a link below on our YouTube channel to where you can just click that, and it'll take you to our other social media accounts, and you can kind of keep up to date with us there. And then, like he said, when we get back, that's when we'll be doing most of the Alaska YouTube videos. So we are not professionals by any means.
Nope.
What you see is what you get.
Yes, you do. Yes, it is.
So like I said, we're just starting out. The channel you will see has some basketball videos on it. It is from when our son played basketball for high school and college, and we started the channel as his basketball channel, and instead of trying to start a whole new channel, I'm just converting it over to our YouTube channel for our travels. So there will be those videos on there as well, but
check him out. He was pretty good.
We're pretty proud of him.
Yeah.
And but yeah, we're not in this to make money. No sponsorship. We just want to share what we see and what we do with all of you.
Yeah.
So we have so many people that tell us around here, our friends, that, you know, I know I'm never going to make it out there, so I live vicariously through your videos.
Yes.
And, you know, so many people love watching where we go and what we do.
Yes.
And a lot of people don't, but...
Yeah, and they don't have to watch. But
right, but that's...
the ones that does, you know, hey, we're happy that you get to see these.
Yeah,
you know?
and that's why we do it. We just want to share. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful country.
It is.
I mean, it's just amazing.
It is.
And we want to be able to share some of that beauty with all of you.
Yes.
So, and it might inspire some people that think they would never go out there. Okay, so that's going to wrap up our introduction video, and we would love to hear from you. If you have any tips, tricks, advice, places to go and see, places to eat, leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you.
Yes.
And we'll try and get back to you, you know, as soon as we can. And all we ask is that you please be kind to us and to others in the comment section. We really don't want to have to block or delete anybody, so we want this to be a wonderful, fun page. Positive, yes.
Positive page. We don't. There's enough hate in the world.
Yep.
Let's not extend it.
Yep.
So,
we try to be as positive as we can. So.
That's right. That's right.
So give us a like and subscribe and follow along with us. We'd love to have you along.
Yes, we would.
So that'll be it. So signing off from the Millers.
The Millers. See you next time.
Bye, guys.